Hello students, today I will explain exponent lecture 3rd. Okay, in lecture 3rd I will solve the important questions that has comes in the competitions also and in your examinations also it will come. So how you will solve that type of the sums? First of all, question number 5, if x upon y is equal to 2 upon 3 to power minus 2 into 3 upon 5 to power minus 2, then find y upon x to power minus 1. Okay. Then first of all we know that if the exponent are same, then you can do multiply base into base. Clear? So in this way, first of all we write the question again here. X upon y is equal to 2 upon 3 to power minus 2 into 3 upon 5 to power minus 2. Okay friends, now you solve this. Then again I am explaining that minus 2 here power and there also power, but base are different and the exponent are same. In that case you will multiply base into base, but the exponent will be common, means that will be same. In this way, in other bracket you can write the minus 2 is the common power, and now here 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5. Yes students, in this way 2 3 are 6 and 3 5 are 15 to power minus 2. Yes students, now to make the exponent positive, okay, you will do it reciprocal and then it will be 1 upon 6 upon 15 to power, no, here the power will be plus 2, okay, positive power, and 1 upon 6 upon 15 to power 2 plus 2, okay. Again you will solve, then you will get 1 को लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 1 and to main fraction that is in place you can write into, and it will be 15 upon 6 to power 2. Yes friends, now again you solve, then you will get 15 का square 225 and 16 का square it will be 6. 6 is a 36. Yes friends, that is the value of xy. Now therefore your target y upon x to power minus 1 given. Okay. Now students, that you will convert into this form and then it will be 1 upon y upon x. There given the negative power, then it will be plus 1 power, means positive it will be. Again you will do its reciprocal, so then 1 को लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 1 into x and y, you can write x upon y to power 1. Finally x upon y. Yes friends, now that is the value of x y has comes. Finally that 225 upon y value 36. From there I will write, okay. In this way the answer will be this. Yes students, now question number 6 also. also important question that given if x upon y is equal to 4 upon 7 to power minus 1 into 14 upon 20 to power minus 2. Then find x upon y to power minus 2. That's value you have to find. Clear? So now same way as above in the question of 5 you have done, same way you will do. Then x upon y is equal to, here students, are you seeing the base also not equal or neither its power are equal? In that case, first of all you will make the positive to the exponent. पहले हम एक्सपोनेंट को पॉजिटिव करेंगे, तो देन इट विल बी 1 upon 4 upon 7 to power 1 into it also 1 upon 4 upon 20 to power plus 2 here. Okay, now you solve, then it will be 1 upon 1 into 7 upon 4 by reciprocal law into 1 को लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 1 into, इसके जगह पे लिखेंगे into, it will be 20 upon 14 का whole square. Yes students, now you solve, finally you will get 1 7 is 7 and 1 4 is 4. Okay, and 7 upon 4. Now 1 multiply also you will get the same into 20 का स्क्वायर 400 and 14 का स्क्वायर 196. Yes students, in this way finally you reduce 4 1 जा 400 जा it also 7 1 ja 7 2 ja 14 and 7 8 ja 56. Finally students you will get 100 upon 28. Clear? That is the value of xy. Clear? Now therefore, now the next x upon y to power minus 2. When you solve, then you will get 1 upon x upon y to power 2. Okay, again you will do it reciprocal, then you will get 1 upon 1, 1 को लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 1 and here upon को लिख सकते हैं into and y upon x का whole square. Yes friends, now here the given y is equal to 28 and x की value 100. In this way, after reducing you will do its square. Okay, इससे पहले रिड्यूस कर लेंगे. Finally you will get 7 upon 25 का whole square is equal to 49 upon 625. That will be the answer students. Any doubt? Okay. Now question number 8 is important question. Question number 8, that is very important. That given, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Here the given 5 upon 8 to power minus 2. Find the value of x when also here, when 5 upon 8 to power minus 2 into 5 upon 8 to power minus 4 is equal to 5 upon 8 to power 3x plus 3. Dear students, here students, are you seeing the base are same both side? Left hand side also the base 5 upon 8 and right side also 5 upon 8. In that case, first of all we write here the question 5 upon 8 to power minus 2 into 5 upon 8 to power minus 4 is equal to 5 upon 8 to power 3x plus 3. First of all, here the base same and here the given multiply. So that power will add due to multiplication. So then you will write 5 upon 8, बेस को एक बार लिखेंगे, बेस दोनों सेम है तो एक बार लिखेंगे और इनके एक्सपोनेंट जो है इनटू हो रहा है तो ये ऐड हो जाएगा. इस तरह से -2 प्लस -4 इज इक्वल टू 5 upon 8 to power 3x plus 3. Okay students, now you are seeing the base are same, then base दोनों को reduce कर देंगे and finally you will get -2 और इसे ब्रैकेट ऑफ करेंगे तो प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस. In this way you will get -2 and -4 is equal to 3x plus 3. So then it will be -6 और प्लस 3 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो -3 हो जाएगा इज इक्वल टू 3x एंड देन यू विल गेट -9 और ये 3 जाके इधर डिवाइड हो जाएगा. इन दिस वे यू विल गेट x इज इक्वल टू -3. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, that will be the answer. Its answer will be x is equal to -3. Dear students, in this way you will solve the further all sums. Question number 10 also very important and 9 also important. Okay.